Smell that? That's the scent of winning. I'm just joking, it doesn't smell any different, guys. But Hannah is responsible for bringing footage today of the devotion. Hannah, you see I'm publicly saying that you need to do this, you know?
Yes.
So we can catch some news clips, but we can also catch the live and direct footage from Hannah's phone in a minute. Well, yeah, almost devotion time. Well tried Clarendon College, but it wasn't your year this year. You've done it. You hear the horn, the vuvuzela? See the band there gearing up? See the drum set? Yes, man, I see them. Alright, Hannah, over to you for the real footage, right? No pressure.
No pressure.
So long story short, Glenmuir High School and Clarendon College went head to head for the Champions Cup and Glenmuir won. They rightfully received the Heroes Welcome, band playing and everything, nice welcome from the rest of the students, but the job was not yet finished because the following week, Glenmuir High and Clarendon College would go head to head again for another trophy, this time the Acosta Cup, to show who is the best rural schoolboy football team in Jamaica. So half of the job was done in the first final, but another final was coming up this Saturday. That, man, I'm sure Clarendon College would come back with a vengeance, but you know, Glenmuir all the way still. Hey neighbors, so today is the day. It's a must, you know. Today's the day. The Costa Cup final. Leila and Zahra, we're talking to the neighbors. Be quiet. Say hi. Tell them, let them say hi. Say hi to the neighbors. You don't want to say hi? Alright, so today's the Costa Cup final.
Hi.
We're heading into Kingston now to drop Hannah to school as usual.
Kingston.
Yes, Kingston.
First.
So the plan is, I have my red shoes, is all I could find to support Glenmuir, and if it doesn't go all the way, my shirt is neutral, just in case. But anyway, so all of them are in the car, carrying Hannah to school, carrying Leila and Zahra and Eden Eva to my mother and sister, for them to watch them. Then I go back for Hannah, and then I watch the Costa Cup match and pick them up, change them back later, so they can come back with us. So Tina gets the day off. Tina's at home getting the day off. Most likely she's going to be working in the yard though, or some. It's certain she'll be working in the yard, but she gets that time. And she home at 1, so later in the month I'll get my day off. But it's the final today, and just got a call that we may be getting complimentary tickets, so that's also a good feeling. Anyway, on the road, we'll take it with us, and let's go to Glenmuir. So Hannah, you nervous? What are your feelings? After the Champions Cup victory last week, are you confident?
Of course, I have supported them. I'm very rarely wearing my red and I'm wearing neutrals, just in case they lose.
Hannah's shirt. There's nothing neutral about it. It says
You're wearing, I'm wearing red because I fully support them. You're wearing neutral just in case they don't win, which is so...
But the shoes is...
So you can easily take off your shoes and put on what you have on right now.
No, okay, so you're all Glenmuir.
Yes.
So Glenmuir is going to win. What's your prediction?
Like...
Scoreline. So the Champions Cup was 3-2. What are you thinking today? 1-0. Penalty shootout. That would be exciting. I want a penalty shootout.
I don't know. I'm not a football expert. You say.
I want a penalty. Just say any number. 2-1.
Alright, 2-1. 2-1. Yeah, 2-1.
I want a penalty shootout.
With a penalty shootout.
I want a penalty shootout. I want the game going, 2-all in regular time. Extra time, nobody scores, and it goes to penalties. And Glenmuir clinches it on the last penalty.
I want everybody's stressing.
Yeah, so hopefully it's an entertaining game regardless, and it's a safe day, and there's no violence and stupidness between the spectators. Yeah, I just hope it's a good day. I hope that when I park the car, when the match finishes, I can go back with Auntie and Grandma. And don't give any trouble, right? What are you doing?
Spelling.
You already know word search.
You're trying to find this word.
Which word is that? Empty?
Empty.
Let me give you 1 second. Empty is right. Empty is right. You find it, okay? Bye-bye. So remember when I was teaching Hannah? Remember when I was teaching Hannah how to drive in the video? Like a year and a half ago? Very nice steering. So you need to keep left a little more as you approach the bend. So she needs to get her driver's license thing sorted out for her learners. Oh, big up to the people at tax office yesterday that helped us and recognized Tina and Hannah in the tax office, and they were very helpful. And they snapped a picture with us. Should I share it? I don't think they would mind. If you don't mind? Yeah. I don't think they'd mind. So big up to our tax office peeps. So she got her TRN started out yesterday. And so we need to go and get some passport size pictures done for her driving learners thing that she have to do. Burn Studios. Look like you? Passport pictures never look like you. The person, let me see it.
No.
Just let me see one.
I don't want them to
Let me see one.
Are you going to see? I don't want them to see.
Alright, I'll look at it. I'll let you guys know how it is. Alright, let's go. I'm just joking. It look like you. This is how you look without your glasses, Hannah.
I don't like that.
So you look without your glasses. Anyway, next up, art supplies. So we got the things at the stationery place. We went to Songsters and Kingston Bookshop. So now it's time for food and then stadium. So we're finally here at the stadium. This is where it will all go down later, guys. This is where the magic will happen. I had not been to the National Stadium in years, and the last time I went, it was for track and field. So to witness this football spectacle that is about to unfold was truly remarkable. I'm excited, I was excited, Hannah was excited. We got there very early. Stadium was empty at this point, but the other teams that were there to play the early match came out and they didn't disappoint. They came out and they did their thing, but we're just taking in the environment and enjoying the moment. So we're at the stadium now watching Ben Francis Cup. Hannah, let me show you how you do the thing. So watching Ben Francis Cup finals between, who is this again? Froome and I don't even know the other team. And they say Froome and Beer. So this is the first match. Our match don't start yet. I'll give you an update soon when this match finish, but the real game don't start yet. But the Glenmere supporters weren't waiting for our match to start. Already cymbals start clash, vuvuzelas blowing, because we felt the excitement. And by the time the Ben Francis Cup match was over and the teams were warming up, we were well on our way. The sun is setting, the evening is coming down, and Glenmere bench is walking out and we're just there supporting. So stadium full up now. Everybody is waiting to see what will happen. Match about to start now. Everybody nervous, including Hannah, which is somewhere up there. Everybody nervous. Look at the crowd behind. Time for Glenmere versus CC. Ready? No. You nervous? Alright, so the game is about to start and Hannah is very nervous. She will have the vuvuzela. But, I mean, Leila College is outnumbering us for sure. Their support is very low, but Glenmere will take it on. Or so I thought. The less I say about this match, the better. So let's go quickly. This is Clarendon College celebrating their first goal. It's 1-0. This is like under 5 minutes in the game. This is them celebrating their second goal. And Hannah has her hand at her face. Understandably, this is them celebrating their third goal, 3-0. And their fourth goal, 4-0, before the halftime. We finally got something to cheer about, and I took advantage and the lady licking the cymbals together, Hannah blowing her vuvuzela. But by this time, you see that the Glenmere team are a little dejected, the supporters. Anyway, back to Clarendon scoring 5-1. Then Glenmere score again, 5-2, and by this time, I tell you, the Glenmere supporters are like, yeah, but me and Hannah come to enjoy ourselves, so we're blowing vuvuzela. But then Clarendon College sealed it with their 6th goal. Alright, so that never went as planned, guys. But at least we won it last week. So we won the Champions Cup last week. We never, you can see my voice gone. I still enjoy myself, and I'm sure Hannah did as well. So congratulations, Clarendon College. And Glenmere, don't worry, next year we'll come back for them. Come back for all the trophies. How you feel? Is it good?
Well, I'm still grateful.
You're still grateful, right?
One. Better than none.
Of course. Neighbors, look at this. No, not this one. That's absolutely scary. Sports headlines. Dixon hat-trick punctuates emphatic CC. Look at them. If there's anything, any picture of any Glenmere. So the Costa Cup, CC, okay, Anderson strike, gives McGrath first Ben Francis. See this though, neighbors? You see this though? Liberty taking. You know what, neighbors? So today I'm going to give you the encouragement from home in my Glenmere shirt. I'm borrowing Hannah's shirt that she had on yesterday just to grab this up. And I'm going to go to the supermarket like this to pick up something. And in my shoes as well. So anybody who want to mount me, if you see me, you can feel free. But the point I want to make is that sometimes in life you will naturally win some, you will lose some. But don't let it get you down. Every day is the best day ever, right? And the reason why it's the best day ever, because there's life. It's such a beautiful day right now. I just told Tina it's such a beautiful day. It's windy. I don't know if you can even hear me so clearly. It's cool and life goes on. So last week it was our turn with winning and Clarendon College was down. This week Clarendon College won and we are down, but as somebody said in church a couple of weeks ago, they have a niece. If she eating food, she's like, man, God, auntie, this is the best chicken ever. And she goes to the park, auntie, this is the best day ever. It's as if she goes in a car, it's going to be, man, this is the best car ever, because just to have that moment is something we need to appreciate. So whether you're up, you're down, whether you cry this morning or you're happy, it's still the best day ever, because you have God, you have life, and God, as he says in Jeremiah 29:11, he knows the plans he has for you. Plans to prosper you, good hope, good future. Just rest in him. So all the Glenmere people, all the people who are Christians, all the people who are unsaved, everybody who love God, everybody who don't know God, hope you have the best day ever. Hope you have the best day ever, and lift your heads up. Alright? Lift your head up. So big up to the Glenmere, the champion side. For them say color red. Color red. Neighbors, have a good week. If you see me around, hail me up. I like to get to know you guys. I like to see the neighbors. And until next time, big up from me, the Glenmere people them, and the rest of the house. Color red.